Welcome to the CarStar channel. If you don't subscribe, subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.
The new C-Class, one of our most popular models, is now celebrating its premiere. We put our heart and soul into the 5th generation, focusing on 3 areas in particular: sustainability, even more dynamic proportions, and our brand philosophy of modern luxury. To the first point, the new C-Class is particularly sustainable because it's the first completely electrified and hybridized model series from Mercedes-Benz. The plug-in hybrid sedan and Wagon will have an electric range of 100 kilometers, making them the perfect everyday electric vehicle. When it comes to size, you can clearly see that the C-Class is now larger. On the one hand, that makes the car look stunning. On the other, its spacious interior sets new standards, especially when it comes to legroom. And modern luxury means the new C-Class is based on the technological level of the S-Class, but it is realized in compact dimensions. Just one example, the new C-Class will receive the 2nd generation of MBUX, Infotainment System. It has a ton of great features that put the customer in focus. A real first and a USP in its segment is the rear axle steering. I really like this feature because it makes the handling of the C-Class very agile and nimble. As you can see, luxury and technological standards are not necessarily a question of size. The new C-Class is therefore a very attractive total package in a compact wrapping. I'm already excited to get feedback from our customers.
Our design philosophy for the new C-Class is sensual purity. You see here the most luxurious and sporty C-Class we ever had. A long front with power domes and the A-shaped grille for the new AMG line of the C-Class. The overall proportioning of the car is the most important for the car styling. For us, very important is the sensual surfacing and this very smooth lights on the sidewall, contrasted by the, we call it, catwalk line. This really new 2 parts taillights you can remember in our design language from the new S-Class. The new C-Class interior, the luxurious and sportiest interior we ever had. We have all the informations for the driver-orientated design in the car. If you drive with this car more sporty, you will get the information faster and easier. The most emotional parts we have are our air vents. You see this like a turbine from a jet stream. We have this signet of 5 air vents. We have 25 mils more wheelbase. And this wheelbase is the enabler for 20 mil more legroom for the rear passenger. The car is 1 centimeter lower than the old one and offers more headroom for the passenger. The combination of luxury and sportiness, the new roominess in the car, a turned central screen for the driver. All these new design features characterize the new C-Class.
Almost 40 years ago, we introduced the forerunner of our C-Class, the Mercedes 190, our famous baby Benz. In 1993, we celebrated the premiere of the C-Class, making it the most successful model range for a long period of time. Three things were in focus during the development of the C-Class. First, sustainability. Second, a progressive and more dynamic design than ever before. And third, our brand philosophy of modern luxury. Following our electric-first strategy, every model in the C-Class comes with a hybridized drivetrain, either with a 48-volt integrated starter generator or our new fourth generation of plug-in hybrids with an electric range of 100 kilometers. With a considerable improvement, the new C-Class offers generous interior space for all occupants. We also optimized the size of our luggage compartment, now offering 30 liters more of cargo volume above the loading floor. MBUX and the display architecture from the S-Class ensure a new level of operating convenience. The driver-oriented central display is giving full-screen information regarding navigation, assistance, and infotainment. Safety is one of the core values of Mercedes-Benz. The new C-Class comes with the latest generation of driving assistance. Next to safety, the driving experience is a very important topic for us. One of my personal highlights is the dynamic rear axle steering with 2.5 degrees, which improves the agility and handling of this car. The claim modern luxury also applies to the lighting system. We offer full LED headlights as standard and digital light with projection function as an option. As you can see, the new C-Class sedan and estate scores in all areas that are important to our customers: sustainability, design, and sportiness. We are therefore completely satisfied with what we consider a total package of modern luxury.
Sustainability is the core element of our strategy, and I will show you what electric first means for the new C-Class. Each model of the new C-Class is electrified, and all powertrains from the family of modular engines FAME are hybrids. We've got the 48 volts mild hybrids with integrated starter generator, and we've got the fourth generation of plug-in hybrids. Our focus is to reduce consumption and emissions while increasing performance. For the first time ever, our gasoline and diesel engines get the integrated starter generator. The OM654 is the only diesel engine in the world with ISG. ISG provides up to 15 kilowatts more power and up to 200 Newton meters more torque. The 48-volt system enables boosting, recuperation, load point shifting and coasting with engine off. The engine starts extremely fast and comfortable. The start-stop system is almost imperceptible. All versions come with the optimized 9-Getronic transmission. The fourth generation plug-in hybrid in the new C-Class has an electric power of 95 kilowatts. And with an electric range of around 100 kilometers, we have about twice of the range compared to the predecessor. This means with this electric range, we meet the strict requirements for the Chinese market for plug-in hybrids. The battery with a gross capacity of 25.4 kilowatt hours can be charged AC with up to 11 kilowatts and DC with up to 55 kilowatts. This means a full charge within about half an hour. Despite the increased battery capacity, the luggage compartment of the C-Class plug-in hybrid has a completely flat floor. With its modular hybrid powertrain strategy, the new C-Class is well equipped for the future.
The Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This model has been our bestseller with 10.5 million units sold since 1982. In the last decade alone, it's been our highest volume model. Let's discover the reasons why. 3 things you need to know about the new C-Class sedan. First, the new C-Class is truly beautiful. It has an elegant and, at the same time, dynamic and sporty exterior design, with a generously proportioned passenger compartment and striking rear, cab backward design. Second, the LED high-performance headlights and digital light with 1.3 million pixels per headlight is a real highlight. Third, the dynamic rear axle steering is a premiere in the segment. The steering angle at the rear axle is up to 2.5 degrees. It makes steering more responsive at higher speeds and the car more maneuverable at lower speeds. With the new Mercedes-Benz C-Class, driving fun is guaranteed. Need more space for your family? 3 things you need to know about the new C-Class wagon. First, the combination of a short front overhang with a relatively long wheelbase and rear overhang creates dynamic proportions. Second, the luggage compartment volume has been significantly increased. The wagon has 30 liters more cargo volume than the outgoing models above the load floor. Third, the C-Class wagon enjoys great popularity in Germany. 2 out of 3 C-Class customers in Germany opted for the C-Class wagon in 2020. The new C-Class wagon is a very attractive total package. That's why it's one of our most popular models. Want to drive by electric power? 3 things you need to know about the powertrain of the new C-Class. First, every model in the C-Class series has an electrified hybrid drivetrain. All engines, both diesel and gasoline, come with a 48-volt electrical system with a second-generation integrated starter generator and intelligent turbocharging. Second, we'll offer an additional electrical output of 95 kilowatts and an electrical range of approximately 100 kilometers, more than double the range of its predecessor. Third, the battery has a gross capacity of 25.4 kilowatt-hours and can be fully charged by DC in 30 minutes. The new C-Class is particularly sustainable because it's the first completely electrified model series from Mercedes-Benz. For the first time, the new C-Class sedan and wagon are coming to dealers at the same time. Now, you get to choose.
Welcome to the CarStar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.